Okay, once again, welcome back to this channel, Kikato TV channel. I'm going to show you how to virus proof your flash drive, okay, or your hard drive, okay, whichever drive that you have, okay, external drive. You're going to virus proof it, okay, how the settings that you're going to do, so that you don't waste money to buy a new flash drive if they are contaminated with virus. Okay, you have to do these settings, okay, so that it will also protect your flash drive when you want to get documents from other people's laptop or computers. When you want to get it into your drive and transfer it into your computer, you will not ended up getting virus from their computer into your computer. So this is the only way that you are going to do it. Stay tuned with me up until the video completes, okay, so that you know how to do these settings to right protect virus proof your flash drive. Okay, here you can see, first you go to the PC, go to this PC. This is the drive that I'm going to do. Okay, first thing first, you go and you're going to format it. Okay, format it. If you have some important documents there, some files, you have to make a copy for those files, and you can leave it somewhere in your laptop, and then you format this. After putting the right protection, then you can transfer your files back into this. Okay, so you come to the file system, you should leave it as NTFS. Okay, and quick format here must be tick, and you press quick format. Okay, wait for it until the format completes. Okay, it says format complete. Press OK. Press close. Okay, press close, and then we go to this PC again. Here, there's a drive. Sorry, the flash drive here. You click it and you right click. You right click that. Okay, before you right click it, you go first inside, and then you create a new folder. Okay, let's say a new folder. This folder is a folder that will only access the files you are going to store it in this folder. So you write something, okay, either my files, or for me I will write USB. Okay, this is the folder that it will access you to put your files in or anything. Okay, so after this, okay, for this one, now you come to, okay, the flash drive, you right click it, and then you go to properties, and then you go to security settings, and then you go to edit, and then you will see the right here, right where it is tick, you untick it, uncheck it, and you click apply. Okay, continue, press continue. Okay, after you do that, okay, this time you go to this folder, you click it. Okay, highlight it, you right click, you go to properties. Okay, you go to properties, you come to security, edit. Okay, but this time you are going to allow it. Okay, make sure that it is okay, right. Okay, click right. Okay, then you press apply. Okay, press OK. Once you have done this, you're already set. Okay, so you will see, if I want to copy, okay, one document, okay, if I want to copy one document and put it in my flash drive, okay, let's say go to document, say example, any document. Okay, here, this document. Okay, if I want to copy it, okay, copy, and then you see, if I want to paste it here, directly paste it, you see what will happen. Okay, on the flash drive, see, it says you need permission to perform this action. So that means that you are not going to directly copy anything and you paste it on the hard drive. Okay, the way that you're going to do it now is, you click this hard drive, you come to this USB, you click this folder, and then you paste, and you see that's already been there. So it is protected from anything, any virus that you want to get is already right protected from these settings. Okay, so thank you very much. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to help subscribe for this PNG local YouTube channel. Okay, I'd like you to subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell icon so that you can get notified for more of my informative videos that I'm going to upload. You will be the first person to get notified if you hit the bell icon. Okay, and subscribe. Okay, thank you very much for watching this. Bye bye for now. See you next time around.